A very warm welcome everyone, and this video is presented by Nitish Vig. I'm going to walk through this Python program that is actually extensively used by digital programmers to get the trending hashtags. So this Python program can actually extract the trending hashtags from the websites. Now we need to understand why we need a hashtag. It's very simple reason because of youth. What we are doing today, we would like to reach out to a larger audience. We would like more likes and more comments, and it can be on any of the social media platforms, even on your blogs. So you can write a blog on LinkedIn, or you can write a small blog, mini blog on your Twitter, and you would like to reach out to the audience. You need some trending hashtags from which they can be captured and other people are also looking forward. Why is it needed now by other people? Because we have seen like there are so many good pictures that people capture. It can be a dancing video or a wow, mouth compelling food video, and for that we would need to have this video trending on our platform and get more likes, comments and shares. It can be that you might be writing a blog and you would like to get your article to be the top trending or get maybe like listed out on the top blogs in the Google. Or it can be that you have been captured as a guest audience or speaker to some college and you would like to highlight to some audience that you have been taken some classes. So you would like to extensively promote your things so that you can reach out to more audience and get more opportunities. Your work opportunities will be there. So I have built the program using Python itself. For that I would like to tell you this code that I have designed. It can work on any of the Python IDEs, which is PyCharm, Spider, VS Code and Python Idle. The libraries that I have used for that is Request, Beautiful Soap and Scrappy. Now what can you do with this program? I can get the trending hashtags which are for this particular day and for a particular time. What is the trending hashtag on the social media platform and get promotions. Or it can be that you are writing a specific word. For example, I'm just writing a Python. For what are the Python related specific words that are being searched online? So give me that specific words. Those things can be done with this program. If you have any queries and you would like to reach out to me for more opportunities and projects, you can connect with me on nitishvig007@gmail.com. I would love to work on your artificial intelligence products and machine learning products. Now coming back to this hashtag generator, what I have done, let me give you a brief glimpse how it works. You can see here there are two Python files, setup and main program. In this setup, actually only the setup of the libraries I have done, so you need to double click on it to get it done on your system. If it is already been done, it will just try and then skip out. If it is not done on your system, then it will automatically install the libraries and you need to have that internet connection. But of course you have to have some Python IDEs for that to work. This is my main program, and if I run it, it is just going to ask me what is the option that you would like to choose for to get more promotion on your these websites. So the moment I write it's like trending hashtags. So within a fraction of a second I can get the results. I have scrapped it from the website, your web portals, and got the results saved in the tab this top hashtag today file. If I double click on it, you can look at it and get more details like if this is the current file or not as of today. So you can see here some tattoo is even there, happiness is there, and love and fashion are the topmost always. Looking forward to the next option. Let's look forward to it. So again, if I look forward to a specific hashtag for my topic, I can say my topic as Python. Click on it and wait, let it get saved in the, so I'm using the same file name. Double click and you can see here it's very beautifully it has captured all the relevant topics related to Python. So Python, programming, coding, Java. People who are looking for Python might also be looking for artificial intelligence. That is true. People who are looking for Python are also looking for data science. That is also true. Even machine learning is there. So this way I have prepared this product using alone the Python programming to extract the details. This is my web scraping project. I hope you like it and request you to please like, comment and share and help me reach out to larger audience and get them the code. Thank you, seeking goodbye, and take care.